How to get more clicks on Facebook Marketplace. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook app on your phone. In the bottom, you can see there are various options. You want to go ahead and tap on Marketplace. So here is the marketplace where you can buy and sell various items of yourself and other people. So how to get more clicks on Facebook Marketplace? Here are some tips and tricks. First, you have to write an accurate title for listing. Facebook uses technology and algorithm to sort listing into categories like many other marketplaces. Facebook Marketplace uses this algorithm to see searching progress easier for buyer. In addition, if utilized correctly, it will help the seller make sales. So one way to get more clicks is by writing accurate title for the listing. And the next thing is you have to include various tags. Listing tags are designed to help you improve searches on Marketplace. It is another tool for you to utilize and optimize your listing. And next thing that you can do is you have to make sure that the price that you have put of your products is right. Ensuring that your price is in line with your competitors is one of the best way to improve your views. For example, suppose a potential buyer sees a listing way over the average price for similar items. In that case, they won't even bother clicking. So next thing that you can do is boost your listing. If you think that putting some money into your marketing budget is worth, you can. Boosting your listing means you will pay Facebook to create an ad for your listing. This will help to prioritize your listing over your competitors. Next thing is cross-list from Facebook Marketplace to other marketplace. Many sellers cross-list their items from Facebook to different platforms to increase exposure and boost their chances to sell the item. This is the best route to go down if you are trying to get more views. So that is how you can get more clicks on Facebook Marketplace. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.